All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Drip Network, get 365% back, 1% every single day of your initial investment. All kinds of good stuff with cryptocurrency, passive income. Today we're going to be talking about AMP token. The token is up right this second, which is fantastic for the AMP army. Also, we got a new list. They got listed on something just yesterday on March 1st, which is fantastic. We're going to go over that, go to their Twitter account, do a little price prediction. Also, Bitcoin is up like 15 to 18% since the last couple of days, and they were saying when it was down a week or so ago, it was down because of the war. Now they're saying, is it up because of the war? I don't know. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Or go on this channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. So, all right, everybody. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, AMP token is number 71. It's actually up right this second, up 4%, so fantastic. This cryptocurrency is up 4% in the last 7 days. Fantastic. Taking a look at this. It's trading at a little over 2.028 cents, almost 3 cents, down 2.5 cents in the last 24 hours. Taking a look in the last 7 days, in 7 days it is up. At one point it was down to 2 cents. It's at 2.8 cents. So fantastic. AMP is bouncing back up right this second. Let's go over to the holders, see how many people are holding the AMP token. Up or down in the last 3 months, so maybe a slight up. Here we go. We got 9,000 holders, 59,000 holders 3 months ago, and today we got 70,000, 11,000 more. So man, 18%. We got 18% more people holding the AMP token. Fantastic stuff. All right, over here, here's our big news of the day. Over at the Twitter account, AMP token listed on, was it DIGiFINEX? DIGiFINEX listed. Here we go. That's fantastic. We got a new list, and it happened as of the 1st. New coin list and AMP to be listed on DIGiFINEX 1 day ago. Dear users, it will be listed AMP on March 1st. The trading service of AMP/USDT will be open, and they're talking about the time that it's open, March 1st, as of yesterday. They talk about the official website, which is amptoken.org. We already know that. AMP is described as a new collateral token offering instant variable assurance for any kind of valuable transfer. Using AMP network like Flexa can quickly secure transactions while a widely variety of asset-related use of costs. So pretty awesome stuff here. AMP tokens got a new list. More and more people will be hearing about the AMP, and as AMP gets to be more mainstream out there, we know what's going to happen here. Last June, this token got all the way to 11 or 12 cents when it got listed. All right, over here at the website, let's take money into the 21st century. AMP provides access like USDC with instant variable assurance for any real-world application. You know, a couple things you can do with the AMP token. You can stake the AMP, you can send the AMP, and you can repeat. When you stake it, AMP is an extensive platform collateral asset transferred by staking AMP. Any form value exchange can be guaranteed. Digital payments, fiat currencies, exchanges, loan distributions, property sales, and more. Send. Once the staked is partitions, AMP is ready for collateral transfer used for collateral pools. AMP effectively decentralizes the risk of assets transfers, especially suitable for fraud-proof network and any real-world application. Repeat. You know, once you do those first 2 steps, AMP is simplified network rewards distributions once the transfer is complete. The AMP smart contract offers variety of built-in incentive modes, including micro distribution of continuous compounding. Awesome stuff there. By AMP helps us decentralize risk for users with smart contracts, features, purposes built for collateral, nothing more and nothing less. All right, so the AMP token's up 4 or 5% in the last 7 days. It's got a new list, which is really good. Again, every time a coin gets listed somewhere, that group of people that are using that platform, you know, they get a notification, and it's something that's kind of new, like, hey, we got a new something coming up, and then everybody on that platform goes and say, hey, let's get ahead of this, you know, new token or whatever. So that's actually pretty good stuff. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All right, so Bitcoin They were saying it was down because of the war. Now they're saying maybe it's up because of the war. Let's go ahead and check this out. Right here, has the Russian-Ukraine war driven up Bitcoin prices? Here's what analysts are saying. Bitcoin gains almost an 18% since Monday, pushing cryptocurrency to near 45,000. It's right around 44,000 today. The Russian is invading its neighbors, and Ukraine raises donations in cryptocurrency. Yeah, this is pretty good. People donated cryptocurrency to help the cause here. Says Bitcoin was trading around 44,000. What exactly is Bitcoin rallying? The analysts are asking. Why it seems that the second leg of the move was at least partially fueled by the small short squeeze. Overall, the rally was driven by a huge spike in demand. U.S. and its allies levy new sanctions targeted Russian central banks, some state-owned companies, and elite families. There has been speculation around whether Moscow could gain leeway through crypto. Now here's the big thing. Meanwhile, Ukraine has raised $31 million. Right there, I got it highlighted. $31 million. Now, where do they raise it through? Through 26,000 crypto donations since the Russian launched the invasion, according to the crypto compliance. So that, Ukraine has got $31 million in donations, and it all came from cryptocurrency. However, the demand from Russia and Ukraine alone may not have been enough to push Bitcoin to the current levels since Monday, according to head of research at the crypto firm. These markets have small volume compared to the total market. All right, so the big highlight here is 26,000 crypto donations right here, $31 million. They think that Bitcoin could be up because of the war. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Give us your thoughts on the bottom. What's your thoughts? But that is kind of cool that there's $31 million in donations going over there, and it all came from cryptocurrency. So you gotta be happy that people are donating the crypto to help the actual Ukraine. $31 million in donations. All right, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. All right, let's head back over to AMP Token, do a little price prediction, and check out a little bit more of their website. Getting back over here at the website. Meet some of our friends that they work with. AMP works with Flexa, Bittrex, Uniswap, crypto.com. That's a big one too. A lot of people can get their AMP on crypto.com. Chainlink, CoinGecko, Zapper, just to name a few. Over here at the bottom of AMP's website, if you want to get new information and updates and everything, you can actually put your email in here and hit subscribe, and you'll get information from the community from AMP Token. Pretty cool things right there. Another big thing, this was at the beginning of last month. AMP is now on Atomic Wallet. AMP is a collateral token made for instant and secure payments. Now can store, exchange AMP, and get cash back. Big thing is AMP token is on Atomic Wallet. So go to your Atomic Wallet today, and you can actually find everything else out. If you click this right here, talks about Atomic Wallet, Currency Wallet, manage your Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, and over 300 other coins and tokens. Well, AMP token is actually on here. All right, what's our price prediction? It's at 0.28. I think the coin could go back up to 0.33. All our information is for educational purposes only. Just a few months ago, this coin was at 4.5 cents and 5 cents all day long. It's been at this level for about 2 months if you go back and take a look. So to get back to 3 cents, 0.33, it could happen here in the next month. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. But a nice thing over here, AMP 71, it is up 4%, which is fantastic. You got a little bit of green going on here on CoinMarketCap. You've seen things are up. CRV is up 7.5%, which is fantastic. NEO's up 12%. ZEC's up 15%. All right, everybody, AMP token getting a new list. Fantastic right there. Bitcoin is up right now, 45,000. I mean, it's almost 5,000 from 50,000. Pretty good. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Click right here to see our most recent video. Click over here to learn about Drip Network. Get 365% back on your initial investment, 1% every single day you get it. You can either hydrate it or claim the money. Got a video that explains everything. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you a little bit later.